Stop hair breaking in 7 days. My 5 ingredient secret. If your hair is breaking faster than how it's grew, in just 7 days, these 5 ingredients powerhouse spray will transform your strands and stop your hair from breaking. No more complicated recipe, just results. Let's make it together. As you guys can see, I soaked my fenugreek and rice last night, so it was too late. That's why I couldn't do what film the beginning. But as how you can do it, just take amount of the rice, whether 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of rice, and add your fenugreek, also 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of fenugreek. Soak it on the water. Whether you can soak it for 6 hours or 1 day for 12 hours. You can soak it for 12 hours or 6 hours to get your rice and fenugreek water. So the power place is here. Now, my queens, our next ingredient is going to be aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice, please, if you have aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel, you can add to this treatment. But if you don't have, also do not worry, because this 2 alone ingredient is going to work perfect for you. You can skip that part, but if you have it, you can add for the more benefit. Why I'm adding my aloe vera juice? Please, let's take a look of fenugreek and rice. Those are your hair growing ingredients. Rice water contains inositol, which means it's repairing hair from inside out, while fenugreek is also packed with protein and nicotic acid, known to be great for hair growing and scalp healthy. Here that we need, because we need the scalp to be healthy. As you see, anyone out there having the healthy hair, it means the first thing that you need to have is the healthy scalp. So after my aloe vera juice, I'm adding like 1 teaspoon or half tablespoon inside. So you can do it the same thing. You see amount of my rice and fenugreek water I'm making. That will make you to know, okay, should I add 1 tablespoon of honey inside, or I shouldn't do it? So you can see the quantity that you make your treatment, your spray, and that will make you to add your honey into it. So honey also is very, very powerful when it's come to concern our healthy scalp or healthy hair, things. So guys, let me take you guys, let's take a look of aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice also is natural conditioner. It's also having, pH is balancing for hair oil and your scalp also. It will help you to balance your scalp to make it look more good. Why honey also is having natural humectants that lock moisture into your hair. Is perfect for preventing your hair from stick or damaging. Is very, very good. It will help you to make your scalp, also your hair, look very soft. Your scalp is going to be looking very healthy. And mind you people, healthy hair always comes from the healthy scalp. So when you have a healthy scalp, definitely there's nothing that is going to block your hair for it not to be growing. So my people, after that I added my sweet almond oil inside. Sweet almond oil is very powerful because it's also helping to seal the moisture into your hair and adding beautiful shine without beginning too heavy. It's not going to make your hair look very heavy, because this thing, when you are using it, you don't need to wash it up. You can only wash it when you use it for 1 week. After 1 week, then you can wash it and start using it again. This is the very powerful treatment, and I'm going to tell you, when you use it, you are going to like it and you will come back to thank me, because this thing is powerhouse of moisturize. Is going to help you with moisturizer. The only thing I'm going to do, I'm going to also apply it to my daughter. Right now she went to school and I was waiting for her to come back after I bring her from school, so that I can apply it to my daughter. You guys will see if you want to apply it to your hair. But my daughter came back from school with full of surprise. So guys, stay tuned with me and see the surprise that my daughter came with. Before showing my daughter hair, guys, I'm going to remind you, fenugreek is also promoting hair growing and reducing hair falling. It's rich in nicotic acid and protein. It's very, very good while you are using fenugreek water on your hair. It's only that sometimes it's a little bit strong smell, but it's good. When you get used to it, you don't that smell even is not coming to you again. It's stimulating blood circulation to your scalp and strands. It's also helping to protect your hair from falling. So fenugreek water is very, very good. So my people, now after everything, this is the simple. Is it not simple? Will you love to try this thing? Try it and let me know how it's go with you. Please do it for 7 days. My people, after my daughter come back from school, you guys can see her scalp is full of sea sand. So my plan was, when she come back from school, I'm going to use her hair to hydrate her hair so that you guys will see the full video if you are going to use it. But after this scalp, the way I saw my daughter's scalp, I cannot use this spray on the hair. So this point, why am I showing this part to you guys? I'm showing it because if you are going to use this spray and you know that your scalp is not healthy, your scalp is dirty, your scalp is not good, or your children's scalp is not healthy, it's not good, please don't use the thing. When I say the scalp is not healthy, I mean the scalp is dirty. As you guys can see, my daughter's scalp, it's not like it's dirty, but it's full of sea sand. So it's also, we can count it that my daughter's the scalp is not good. It's not good for me to use that spray on her hair today. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I will take her, guys. You can see the school, her school. This is where they keep the sea sand and the children are playing. So she always put the sea sand into her hair and come back from home. So when I take her home, what I do is, first of all, I need to wash her hair. I have to bath her and wash her hair thoroughly to remove all the sea sand. Then before I can use that spray on her. So but for me to use it, I know it's going to be too late because I will bath her. After everything, I will just going to take her to bed. So it's going to be too late for me to film it again. So but when you are going to do it, please try to make sure that maybe your hair is not full of anything, or your children's hair is not full of anything. And this spray, why did I like it for me, myself, and my daughter? Because it's very safe. There is no any chemical. It's good for the children. Aloe vera juice is healing scalp, and honey also is the same thing. When you come to fenugreek and rice water, we don't talk again. So these things are very safe for children. But when I say it's safe for children, if you know that you see my daughter, her eyes, even there's a sea sand inside her eyes, my people. There's sea sand inside. So if you know that your child or you yourself, you have allergy with fenugreek, or you have an allergy with rice or aloe vera juice or aloe vera or honey, then that one day you cannot use this thing is not for you. Okay, but if you know you don't have any allergy for that, then you are good to use it. You can see all her shoes, even her socks, everywhere is full of sea sand, my people. Now you see the floor as I'm just putting it, bringing it out. Oh my god, my princess drawn something for me. Thank you very much, my love. Come in, I kiss you. Mwah, thank you. Okay, let's get back to the conclusion of this video. Please, if you are going to do it, as I said, try to use it when your scalp is clean. When you are using it, don't use it and go and wash. Just use it and use your leave-in conditioner and your butter to seal it. Okay, don't use only this spray and leave it that way. Okay, that's good. Don't use it like that and leave it. Okay, when you just use it, use your leave-in conditioner or your children leave-in conditioner to seal the moisture, because the most important, you have to seal the moisture into your hair. You see how my daughter hair, how she put the sea sand into her hair. So I have to wash before using it. If I don't wash, I cannot use this spray. So don't use it while your scalp is dirty. Okay, always make sure your scalp is clean. So when you use it 1 week, oils, butters that you are using sealing, 1 week, wash it and make another one again. Mind you, consistency is the key. I love you all.